Yep, we got a look. This a look.
Woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me?
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new for the first time, welcome. I'm Deasia, but you can call me D. And this is day 8 of my Valentine's Day series. I'm uploading a different Valentine's Day look every day up until Valentine's Day, period. And today's look is clearly a kissy look. Kissy face look, kiss face look. We gonna call this a soldier boy tell him kiss me through the phone. It's like, nah, but if you want to see how I achieve this look, please continue on watching. Okay, so I'm going to do my face routine first, and I'm going to just rush through it so we can get straight into the look. That's not a good brow. So I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer in the shade 3.75, and this is what I'm going to use to clean my under my brows. And then blend up underneath them. I'm going to use my Estee Lauder foundation to clean my brows, on top of my brows. I knew this was a bad brow when I got done with them, but I'm just going to blend that out. So I'm using 2 primers today. The first primer I'm going to use is my MAC Studio Fix Matte Shine Control Primer. Then on top of that, I'm going to go with my Pore Blur from Makeup Revolution. And yeah. Okay, so I'm going to cover my dark spots with my same concealer that I use to clean up under my eyes. I'm not going to put a lot of this concealer because it's really thick and it's really light, so. I'm going to put a little bit. And I'm going to put it in. I'm going to use my Too Faced Primed and Poreless powder. I'm going to put this on my cheeks. This also helps with reducing the what's the word? Reducing the look of pores. I don't know, I can't think of the words right now. So the foundation I'm using today, like I said earlier, is my Estee Lauder foundation in the shade Cinnamon. Okay, so my face is done. My camera died, so I really couldn't record my face. But we got to jump right into these lips. So I decided to use my You Can Be Athena makeup paint palette. And I'm just going to be starting off with this dark pink color. And I'm going to trace out my lips. Now, I've been seeing this on Instagram and I was like, do they like could they kiss the paper or like what? How do they get the lips so perfect? They look like lips. I'm just gonna drag it down like that. Yeah, I don't know. You look like a kissy mark, y'all. It's gonna have to look like a kissy mark today. We're gonna go on to the next one. So I'm gonna switch colors and I'm gonna do like pink. I'm gonna do pink and red. Yeah, I don't know how this is coming out. I really don't know how to feel about it, but like I said, we're gonna keep going. But now I am gonna switch colors to red so that I won't make a mistake and do too many pink. Y'all, what is that? They don't look like lips to me. This look is fun though. It is. Okay, I played that one, but it's alright. I like it. Do one more red one up here.
Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and
okay, so being that this is my paint, I do have to press it down, which I am a little scared of because I don't know how it's gonna do after I wash it away. So I'm using the setting powder from the You Can Be Athena Makeup Paint Palette, and I'm gonna just pat them to dry them down. So the eyeliner that I'm using is my NYX Cosmetics eyeliner, and I'm only using this eyeliner because I don't have white eyelash glue, so
Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe we'll someday grow. Till then I sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things.
and I'm gonna take that same red and pink paint. I'm just gonna play with it around my eyeliner. I'll probably put some red up under here. And I'll probably do some pink on top. Bring it in. Just like that. Probably bring the pink out a little more. So I'm using this red paint and this purple paint, this pink paint to do my lips. I don't really want to waste this paint. And it's not really sanitary. It's not really sanitary to like put it back in things, so I'm just using it.
Sticking on your backstage pass, all access, cause you bad. You could go wherever with that ass. Show to the shout, to the truck to the club for the party. You go in first with your girls, cause I don't know who's out there watching. But I do know one thing, yo. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll
And now I'm gonna put the pink in the middle. And I gotta set my lips. What? Okay, so I'm using this Beats by Deb Cosmetics loose highlight glitter, and I'm going to be putting this over my heart. Is that too much? Okay, that was a bit much. I didn't have to go that hard. I did not have to go that hard. Okay, I'm gonna just do it lightly. This is the final look. Yeah, some time to get into it. Yeah, all the time y'all need. Say, but yeah, I like this look, y'all. And it was really easy. Like, this look took me less than 2 hours, and I like it. Like, I really did like how it came out. If you liked how this look came out, and you just like how all my looks come out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn post notifications on so you don't miss another beat. And I will see you guys in my next video.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean.